Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to take you guys on the journey, the entrepreneur journey of me launching or testing out products before I launch a new product for the Stacy collection. I find these videos to be very inspirational, motivational. They are so informative, especially during this quarantine. Like, there are so many boss videos launching, so many entrepreneur videos launching, marketing videos. If this is not the time to sit here and absorb, soak in all of this information, I don't know what time is. You have nothing but time and opportunity on your hands right now. So you guys know I do makeup. Of course, I have to have things that involve makeup, not just lipstick. So thinking about adding a eyeshadow palette next, okay? So I have been testing out different vendors, testing out different companies, playing around with the pigmentation and for the eyeshadow. This particular vendor sent me 2 palettes, okay? I got 2 palettes just because I wanted to see which color I wanted to go with. So definitely when you're looking into launching a new product, look at their packaging. Don't just order the product itself. Also look at their packaging. Like if you're doing lipstick, check out the lip gloss tubes. See how the little doe foot applicator applies to lipstick. Honey, sometimes it can be a hit or miss. But I am loving the matte colors. These matte shades in here. I am loving the matte shades, and then there's one pressed shimmer shade in here that looks great too. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes ma'am. Yes. This matte color here. Alright, so this is a matte shade. Oh yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Final test will be to apply it like I am actually a consumer. Like I was a customer who purchased this palette. I'm a makeup artist. I know how I love my products to apply when I'm applying it to myself and to my customers. So this is where we're going to test out and then also wear it throughout the day to see what happens. With all of my eyeshadow looks, I always prime my eyes with a concealer or eyeshadow base. Most of the times I use concealer. I'm using the Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. And this is by Maybelline, of course. So I'm just going to take a little bit and dab this on my eyes. I said a little bit, but I'm actually covering the entire lid. I'm going to take my concealer brush and just blend this out. I'm going to take a little bit of the setting powder that I apply underneath my eyes. This is the e.l.f. HD powder. Take a little bit of what's on my blender and just press that over my lid just to set the concealer because I don't want it to crease. As a crease color, I'm just going to go with this reddish brown color here. Ooh, pigmented. You hear me? Look at that. Pigmentation. Alright, so I'm just going to blend. I want to try this shade here because I know this shade here is going to do something big. I just don't know what I want to do with this shade. Alright, so I want to apply this to my... Do you see the color pigmentation? Do you see it? I don't think y'all see it. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. So there's this color here in the other palette. You know how we like it. Just darken it up a little bit, and it is doing that. There is a shimmer shade also in this palette right here that I showed you guys that I want to use probably in the inner corner here. Should I? Yeah, we're going to do it. So we're just going to place it right in our tear duct here. Ooh, it's a rose gold color. Y'all know how I feel about rose gold. So we're going to apply the Stacy Collection lashes, of course. I always apply these lashes with the Sassy Eyelash Glue. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and finish with the rest of the face. Lips. So you guys know I added some new shades to the Stacy Collection. And of course, we're going to apply one of the newer shades. So depending on, let's see. So any one of these new shades from the Stacy Collection can actually go. Which one do we want to go with? Because we don't want to take away from the eye looks. This is too bright. Because our eyes are already popping. We don't want to take away from the eyes. And we can go with one of the nude colors. But I feel like I'm always doing the nude colors. Exfoliate your lips if you haven't done so already. And also apply your lip moisturizer. I am using a chapstick, or a lip balm is what they call it. That is my primer for my lips. Then I'm going to go and pencil in my lips. This is called IceCream. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think so far? Like I said, drop your feedback down below in the description box. Definitely open to hearing some of your suggestions and feedback. And if you want to see the mini tutorial for this look, I will have a IGTV video posted on Instagram, and might add it to the end of this video. We'll see. But I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.